Delo. Ours may not be a conventional story, but I am glad that we were friends before we became a couple. As I have always said, I am thankful that God has blessed me with someone like you. I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and we will be as husband and wife. I vow to have the patience that love demands, to speak when words are needed, and to have them in silence when they are not.
Jovy, I give you my promise that from this day forward, I will give you all my love. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, grow old with you. I will support you on your dreams and respect our differences.